Hello and welcome. Today I show you an unboxing of the JBL Live 360. They're actually called JBL Live 300 TWS earphones.
But before that, we start with an iced tea.
Actually, I'm drinking coffee now while recording this, so yeah, I have both. Okay, so the Live 300 TWS headphones are true wireless headphones. That's why they're called TWS, and they have 20-hour total charge time, but it's actually 6 hours. It's 20 hours including the case. It has connectivity with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, nice frequency response range, and 5.6 millimeter diameter of the speaker, a lot of accessories, and a cool case where you see the actual earphones. I always call them headphones, either earplugs or earphones. Yeah, Bluetooth 5.0, 6 hours use time. And let's open the box and see what's inside. It's interesting design. You could even use it as a coaster if you want.
This is nice.
Yeah, that really is nice because it's pretty complicated. All the controls on the headphones, they're explained as soon as you open the box. So on the left one, you have some controls. On the right one is most of the controls. Play, pause. Most important, it has volume up and down feature, so that's great. This is the reason why I bought these headphones and not the Sony ones, which Sony were more interesting and nicer, I believe, but more expensive, and they didn't have the volume control as far as I could understand. The WF1000 version 3. Maybe in the next one they will make that, so yeah. A lot of paperwork here, which I really think is unnecessary. I believe that all this is here just to make the box larger. Yeah, they could have made this box half size, but okay. So some nice padding there, so there are no scratches on the case. And this is the case, and that's how you pair it. It goes into automatic pairing mode as soon as you open it. You get the app on your phone and you're good to go, basically.
Nice shape. USB-C.
The shape is really nice because it doesn't have any sharp corners, so it won't cut in your jeans. And it's USB-C, which it should be. All the devices now should be USB-C, and a satisfying click.
Magnetic.
This button in here, I'm not really sure what it does. I think if you want to repair them, I'm not sure. They go into pairing mode as soon as you open the box automatically, so you don't need them the first time. Interesting USB cable, nice and short but bright color. And these are accessories for if your ears don't fit these earphones well, you can try to adjust, use different ear socket adapter, I don't know how they're called. They have a lot of shapes, so I think they should fit most people. To me, they fit the default version, so that's nice. Yeah, that's the cable. It's pretty interesting, nice and short. Usually this length, they come from power banks. And those are the headphones. Exactly what you saw when the box was closed. These are the headphones. I really like their design. I really like this kind of gray with this golden accent. It makes them look expensive, which they are actually. But it's actually worth it because they can do a lot of things. As soon as you take them out from the case, they have all the things they need. So you don't really need those accessories if they fit your ears. So that's nice that they come with everything installed, so they're ready to sync. Not very small, this thing, I would say, but actually you will see later in the video it doesn't look bad, and I think this is mostly how they are these days. And these are true wireless headphones. There is now no wire connecting them, so there has to be some space for the battery and for some powering components, electronics. The way they go in the case, it's not the greatest. I don't know, it feels like sometimes they might not align so well. I think there's something wrong there. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I'm just too picky. But you might have to like move it left or right when you put it in the case, so it goes in the right place. The USB-C port will have a light when it's charging the earphones inside, turn white, and when you charge the actual case, the whole thing, it turns red, so flashing like this. So it's flashing, is going smoothly in and out. It's really nice. I like this. I like this a lot actually. So yeah, you should charge it the first time, which I really didn't because I wanted to show you this video. So as soon as you open the box, they go into Bluetooth pairing mode, and you have to install the app on your phone, and you synchronize the Bluetooth as any Bluetooth device. And in the app you can change settings like equalizer. You can change settings even for the gesture, which swipe and touch what it does. So that's really nice that you can customize them like that, and especially the EQ, because not a lot of headphones will allow you to do this. And yeah, with this you can customize them completely to what you want. Yeah, this is how they look like in the ear. This one is installed almost correctly. When it's installed, the logo should be horizontal, but that one on the left ear, right side on the screen, looks pretty good. This one is okay. This one is really bad. I didn't know how to install them. They don't look so bad in the ear. Actually, they look pretty good. This one is really installed improperly. You can see it's really not. So even I was feeling it, something is wrong there. I couldn't see myself, so yeah. You can feel free to write something bad in the comments about this. If you've made it this far in the video, thanks for that. Okay, so I've been using them for a few weeks, about almost 1 month. The sound is really amazing. It sounds really deep and bassy, even on the default equalizer. The gestures, they work really flawlessly. You can control volume up, down, play, pause, answer phone call, and also they are water and sweat proof.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like